Hi. So if somebody has to master an American accent, now what are the two sounds which they have to master in order to talk like American, like a native American English speaker? I'm gonna go for it. And if you can kind of work on these two sounds together, I'm sure it can be very, very useful for you to talk like a native. So let's get started. Now, what is you need to do is to work on your flap T, which sounds like a quick D, and R. I'll give you an example called water, water. So how to make this flap T? When T comes between two vowels together, you sound like a quick D. Daughter, matter, eating, meeting, computer. So if you can do these things, it's going to be easy. Second, R. Now R is R. It's very tricky, but it's very, very American sounding sound, what I would say. So like water, roser, run, ram, rectification. If just focus on these two sounds only can make you talk more like a native, your speech will have native-like quality. If you like this video, please share with friends and family. And if you want to learn all the consonant sounds and all the sounds which are very important to master your American accent, please watch, share, and learn our online, interactive, extensive courses. Thank you so much for watching.